Today, on the menu, in Sarah's House of Flavor, yes, in my kitchen, I will be preparing for you. Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to my kitchen, Sarah's House of Flavor. I hope my lovely people are having a great day. If it's night you're watching, I hope you all are having a great night. And as usual, you're all welcome in my kitchen. Today, my lovely people, I am so happy and delighted to be sharing with you one of our signature dish, juicy Jamaican jerk chicken. I'm sure you would love to see how I am going to prepare my jerk chicken. So you have to sit around, relax, yeah man, watch this video to the end. So when you are going to make this dish, you would know exactly what to do. So my lovely people, let's go over and start our cooking. Let's go, my beautiful people. Okay guys, so here is the chicken. It's already been washed. So now I am going to add my jerk seasoning. And this I am doing it a day before cooking, but if you want to do it like couple hours before cooking time, that is fine. But for me, I am going to do it leave it in the refrigerator, and then the next day I will just do my jerking. Alright, so here I have my seasoning on the chicken, so I'm going to go ahead and rub it in, right, ensure that everything is coated with the seasoning. More the chicken marinate into the seasoning, the better the taste will be. Alright, so I'm gonna add some more jerk sauce here, and it depends on how you want your jerk sauce. If you want it to get really hot, you can add more Scotch bonnet pepper. For this, I am doing it mild because my son will be having it. So yeah man, so that's how our jerk chicken look, right? As you can see, it's well coated into the seasoning, the jerk seasoning. Yeah man, so I'm just gonna leave this, right, let it marinate, and then I'll come back and I show you definitely how I do my jerk. Here is our chicken that I seasoned from overnight. So now I'm gonna start to jerk the chicken. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just gonna take them out. I'm gonna take them out here. For the thigh, I turn it face down because you know the thigh is one of the hardest part of the chicken to cook. Alright, so there you go. Telling you guys, it's been a while I haven't done any jerks chicken, so it is really indeed nice to do. Alright my lovely people, so this is our jerk chicken. I am going to place them in the oven now for them to cook for about 45 minutes to an hour at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright guys, so now I check on my jerk chicken. It's almost ready. In the next 10 to 15 minutes I'll take it out, right? But as you can see, it is almost ready guys. Look at that, and you can see how juicy they are. Yeah man, so I'm gonna place it back in the oven for the next 10 minutes, and then I take it out and I am going to make a sauce, a jerk sauce, to go with our chicken. So now my beautiful people, this is the end result of our Jamaican jerk chicken. Let me give you a closer shot. Yeah man, so that's our Jamaican jerk chicken in Sarah's House of Flavor. Guys, if you could just smell the flavor, my God, I can't wait to have a piece of this. So my lovely people, if you have not subscribed to my channel, you're missing out on these tasty and amazing recipe. So please subscribe to Sarah's House of Flavor. Click on that bell so when I upload all my new videos, you will be notified. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. God bless you all. And as usual, my lovely people, thank you so much for being in the kitchen with me. Walk good, and God bless you, and I see you soon in Sarah's House of Flavor. But let me give you a closer shot, guys. Look at our jerk chicken. You can see my jerk chicken is well cooked. Yeah, man. And notification shout out goes to Marsha Webster and Andia Wishard. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. And to all my lovely subscribers, thank you also. God bless. Bye.
I don't see no dog, Dale. Oh, and a goat!